What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Pan America Sport Luggage. The Pan America is designed to take on any kind of on or off-road adventure. If your focus consists primarily of on-road touring adventures, you're going to need a set of luggage like Harley-Davidson Sport Side Cases and Sport Top Case. This collection flows beautifully with the lines of the Pan America's clean silhouette. These Sport Side Cases were designed to offer a smooth aesthetic, both in the way they look and in the way they attach to the bike. The glass-reinforced nylon and aluminium cladding materials are sleek and stylish. The mounts for both the left and right side cases are part of the motorcycle, so when the cases are removed, there's no extra hardware left behind. Installation and removal is simple, and an integrated handle makes it easy to carry the bags to and from your bike. There's a 22-pound weight capacity for each side case. Together, these have a volume of 65 litres, 30 on the right and 35 on the left. There's room for extra water bottles, a weekend's worth of clothes, spare shoes, or whatever else you may want to bring on your ride. Whatever's stored inside will also be kept dry, because Harley-Davidson made sure that these cases passed a rigorous water intrusion test. Your purchase includes the right and left side cases, a lock kit for each case, reflectors and installation instructions. Integrated liners are sold separately. To expand on the amount of storage space on your motorcycle, you'll also want to purchase the Sport Top Case. It has a volume of 36 litres and can support 22 pounds worth of gear. Like the side cases, this top case is waterproof, features an integrated handle and includes a lock kit. Please note that the top case does require a separate purchase of the top case mounting plate. Locks on the cases are keyed to the motorcycle ignition, so it's nice to only have one master key that both turns on the bike and gives you access to your storage spaces. There's a video on harleydavidson.com to show you how. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.